Hello guys, today we will see how to download and install Postgresql in our system for our Java project. Okay, so I am going to open my browser and just type here download Postgresql. Okay, so just go to this official website of Postgresql download. Okay, so here you can see packages for Linux, Mac, Windows. Okay, so we need the Windows installation file. So just click on Windows, and so here you can see the versions like PostgreSQL version 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Okay, for 64-bit and for 32-bit. Okay, so just click here, download the installer certified by EDB for all supported PostgreSQL version. So I am just clicking here, download the installer. Okay, so here you can see download page. So just download the latest version. Okay, so here you can see the Linux 64, Linux 32, Mac and Windows. So just click on Windows of version 15.0. Click on down. So you can see already downloaded, started. Okay, so after downloading, we got this files in our download folder. Okay, so just to install it, just double click on that file. PostgreSQL 15.3.2 version it is for Windows 64. Just wait for some time, it is going to install. Okay, it is asking for the permission. Yes. Next, which component you want to install? PostgreSQL server, pg-admin4, starter builder, command line to solve this software. Now I am going to install. Next, and you need to set a password for Postgres. Please provide password. The port is 5432 for port. Okay, keep it as it is. Just next. Okay, now it is installing. Okay, so you need to wait because it will take some time. I have paused my video for some time, so it is taking too much time, about 5 minutes to install it. So still it remains time to install. initializing database cluster. This may take a few minutes. You can see. Okay. Source database finished installing Postgresql on your system. So click on finish. Welcome Stack Builder. So you can install it, or you can also it is optional for you. So I am just skip it for now. So Stack Builder installation. Okay. So you can see now the Postgresql is already installed in our system. Just search here. So to verify the Postgresql is successfully installed or not, go to command prompt and execute this command like postgres.exe restart -d and is the path of the Postgresql search first drive. Program file, Postgresql version. I need to copy this path. So to verify the Postgresql is installed or not, so go to command prompt and type the command here like pgctl.exe restart. Okay, so here our version is 15. Okay, and please enter. Now you can see here server started. Okay, so if this Postgresql is not showing here, a server unable to start, so you need to set one thing. Go to the our that installation folder and like the drive, program file, Postgresql version 15 and then bin, and you need to set this path to environmental variable. Okay, here just for environmental variable. Environmental variable, you need to set this path here, bin path. The program file Postgresql 15. So just click on new and set this path. I have already set before, so it is not showing error. Otherwise, it will show an error that this command will not recognize. Like pgctl.exe is not recognized as an internal external command. This type error you will face. Okay, if you will not set the path. Okay. and for to view the SQL server, you need to download and install the PG admin also. Okay, to operate on the Postgresql server. Okay, guys. Thank you. This is all about your Postgresql download installation.